Hey, keep the guy. As a government official, I'll just reserve my comment. We are the ones who have been encouraging these boys. Me in particular, I've been even investing in these boys. When they come to my office or home, they say we are running, we don't have even water, we don't have this. We contribute. I give money. And I've been supporting sports for the last 35 years. All this, ask them. They are here. The Sabines, ask them.
Yeah.
Interview them. I'm one of the top guys who has been supporting them.
Joyful moment. And we were very happy on Sunday 15th. We thank God for the silver. And we are very happy together with the Ugandans at large and our neighbors in Buko. We are very happy and very grateful. And glory be back to God.